so welcome back to my channel. So now let's test first the default keyboard of my phone. So as you can see, this is Google Keyboard, the default keyboard for Oppo users. Now to get the file needed is you have to open the link on the description box. Then you will download this app, then of course install it. No password needed, just directly install the application. So after installing, open the app. So here now just click that blue button and then set up the keyboard. So let's go to settings. As you can see, the language isn't in English, so let's change it first. Now go to this globe icon, select this one, then change to English. And here the language is now in English for better understanding. Now you can manually set up the keyboard layout, the height, the width, and the mode. It's up to you. And also the keys, you can turn off the symbols on the keyboard to make it look like a real iPhone. Now let's move on to sound and animation. So turn on the sounds. So I prefer you use this iOS by Desha sound. Also you have to turn off the vibrate and key press. So here you can set up the suggestions, and also you can turn off correction if you're using other languages. Now here are the themes. So you can apply here different themes for free. We have the iOS Dark, the iOS Light, and the old Oppo keyboard. So here are some of the themes. Now let's test the keyboard using other apps. So here's the default theme, and you can also easily change it using the keyboard. So let's type here, then go to that cloud icon. Then you can now change for what theme you like to use. So here, that's it for this video. Subscribe for more.